Passport reports are accessed either through the navigation tree on the left side of the screen or through the navigation ribbon at the top. Simply press the reports icon and it'll take you to the reporting area. The main workspace is here in the center. I'm going to change screen resolution so we can focus just on that. So the first step is to invoke the report wizard, which steps through adding any report that you need. Pressing the add button pulls up the report wizard window. First step is to choose the category of the report. That really means it's the data source that you're pulling data from. If it's a receiving report, then you'd choose the receive history category. If it's a usage or issuing report, then you'd choose an issue history. In the case of a static or a current status of inventory, you'll choose the inventory category. Next field is the report name. Simply give the report a name. And press the next button. Next step of the wizard is of the available data fields in the system. Simply choose the ones you want and slide them to the right side of the screen. So stock numbers, categories, any data field that's available, you simply highlight it, press the green arrow, and it shows up on the right side in the selected fields. Of the selected fields on the right side of the screen, you can also grab those and move those up and down within the list. Purpose of that is so that you are pre-formatting the report. The data fields you show here in this order are how they'll be laid out on the report. Press the next button, which brings up the choice to group the data. Depending on the report you're running, you may be grouping by location, or grouping by a category, grouping by a stock number, or something like that. So if you are setting up the report to do that, you can certainly choose here the field you want to group by. I'll skip that for the moment. Next step, or I should say almost the final step of the report wizard, is to choose if you want the reporting engine to add up or count information on the report. If you're including quantity, costs, prices, you'll be able to sum up those values and they'll be able to be summed for the groups themselves as well as a final report total. Line items themselves can be counted, so the number of items within a grouping or the total number of items on a report entirely can be counted up too. So simply by checking what you want to choose, the report engine will take care of the math for you. Pressing the next button is the final step, which is choosing to have your logo and address information as header of the report, as well as having it in portrait or landscape mode. You can press the preview button, which will pop up a quick preview just so you can confirm that you got the right data fields, that they're in the right initial order for what you want. If that all looks good, you can simply close that and press the finish button. That will add your report to the category that you started out with. The report is available globally for other users to use. The report can be added to your favorite section, so it's easily accessible. And of course, using the report wizard allows you to add as many reports as you need to. You can additionally delete any existing reports and recreate them. And in editing mode, you can further do formatting on those, and that'll be for a separate video. Thank you.